Good evening, friends. Right now it's 7th of March 2021. I just want to uh, give you some analysis in terms of where and how the market is positioned if you look at heavyweights. So while we all of us can see that Nifty is looking stronger, but why is that? Because if you see Bank Nifty has not participated in this recent rally from 14,500 at all. We are sitting around the lows. If you see Nifty IT, again, nothing significant. Then why is the Nifty strong? Nifty is strong because of commodity stocks like Reliance Industries. You would recall that on one of the days, Reliance went up 4% and the market went up 300 points. Reliance has not given up a whole lot of that gain, but the market is down by about, I would say uh, 350 points from 14 to 50, 300 thereabouts, 300 odd points. So what is happening? Reliance is skewing this market and the Nifty is looking strong because of Reliance. Now let me show you what private banks are doing. HDFC Bank almost breaking down from recent supports. Okay, then you have ICICI Bank, again trading very close to recent support. Axis Bank very close to recent support, so they have not rallied at all. IndusInd Bank, it had a virtual collapse on Friday, and look at this large bar. SBI, it has broken recent lows, the lows that Bank Nifty made on that huge down day. So what are these banks telling you? The banks are telling you that the market is taking cognizance of inflation, of very high crude prices and going higher. Let me show you Brent crude. This is the chart of Brent crude. Look at the strength of this rally. Okay. Again, what stocks are taking the market up? I would think commodity style stocks, which include Tata Steel, Hindalco, etc. And because of China data, I think tomorrow also metal stocks would do well. But where is the hit going to come? The hit is going to come on financials. This is HDFC. Look at the constant sell-off on financials. So what I would think is that you will again have a two-sided market where financials get on one side, and financials you will include all kinds of NBFCs, banks, etc., and commodities get on the other side. So Nifty will appear strong because of the largest heavyweight, RIL. IT would appear strong because the dollar will get stronger, and you can see this is Infosys still above 20 DMA. TCS still not too bad. It has participated in the rally. But look at the financials, and tomorrow, within the first hour, I think you will get a sense of where the financials and the bank nifty are going, because I think inflation will hit us hard. We are commodity consumers, not commodity producers. So if our financials start to take inflation seriously, then the next level of support on our financials should be this sort of level below 34,606, maybe 33,800. But all of this is a hypothesis, believing that if crude continues to rage like this, inflation continues to move up strongly, because this fresh 1.9 trillion stimulus will go into commodities also. And because you have this all this free money, plus economies are recovering, I think crude prices will uh, continue to heat, metal prices will continue to go up, and we are sitting on a large rally on our financials. The 200-day moving average is still at 26,200. Look at the amount of overstretching. So this way, this structure is getting weaker on Bank Nifty, and there will be trouble if this 35K is taken out. So be very careful. While 35K is a strong support, but if the crude dynamics, the dollar index, the bond yield, everything starts to go against us, the financials will take the biggest hammering. RIL will be okay because of crude. IT maybe will not get damaged because the dollar is strengthening. But all of our manufacturing companies like autos, paints, tires, they could get impacted here. So this was the little insight I wanted to present. Let's see how the markets deal with this hypothesis. This is a hypothesis, this is a view. It needs confirmation from the market. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult a financial advisor.